Hi, I'm Phil, Product Manager for DEWALT. Today we're going to discuss the DCG420X Atomic 20V Max Extended Die Grinder. Designed for precision and power, the DCG420X offers enhanced control and safety features tailored for the industrial professional. Delivering superior maneuverability, drop the hoses and experience 445 max watts out of untethered performance with a slim, ergonomic design allowing access into ultra-tight spaces. With variable speed both in the trigger and through speed select, you can adjust the RPM of the unit to the accessory and the application. From 10K, 15K, 20K, and 24.5K no load speed. The compact design enables easy access to ultra-tight spaces. The result? An industrial tool with 35% slimmer neck design. The non-locking paddle switch is designed for comfort and intuitive operation, featuring added safety, while the spindle lock enables easy accessory changes, minimizing downtime and the need for additional tools. The built-in LED light helps illuminate the workpiece in a variety of applications, whether surface prep, finishing, deburring, cutting, weld prep, or beveling. The DCG420X die grinder pairs well with an assortment of 2-inch or smaller die grinder accessories. The tool's integrated electronic brake stops these accessories in less than 1 second. Engineered with safety in mind, the DCG420X is equipped with DEWALT's anti-rotation system to help maximize control. This feature quickly stops the accessory when a pinch, stall, or bind-up event is sensed, reducing reactionary torque. Additionally, this tool offers lanyard connection options with a bare and kitted unit available as lanyard-ready compatible. For advanced job site management, the tool is also DEWALT Tool Connect chip ready. The Atomic 20V Max Extended Die Grinder, where size meets power.